Hey, good Saturday morning, my crypto friends. It's November 21 and the year is 2020, just in case you forgot. So we're not even on the right page. Let's get to Mark's Crypto Corner News. Here we are. What's going on? How institutional investors legitimize Bitcoin. Yeah, they're going to buy it up and then sell it back to the general public, most of which are still unaware of what's going on. Bitcoin is maturing into a legitimate financial product that is finding its way into more and more traditional portfolios. Now, hedge fund legend Ray Dalio is also expressing interest in BTC. They are the really big ones. Paul Tudor Jones, Stanley Druckenmiller, and now even Ray Dalio is on the way. So where's Warren Buffett on this? Still hanging out in the back of the room? Yes. I don't think he'll ever buy crypto. He's going to just swallow his pride on that one. And I don't think he needs the money. Like, who cares, right? He doesn't need the money. It would be a smart investment for him, but who am I to tell him a smart investment? The guy's, the most popular wealth manager in the world, as far as I know. One of the most. And so there's that. What's that next? VPN mentor exposes Bitcoin fraud for Facebook users. Haha. Beware, my Facebook friends. VPN mentor uncovered a phishing operation targeting hundreds of thousands of Facebook users worldwide and targeting Bitcoin fraud cyber criminals. Where's the full stop in new sentence editors? Cyber criminals have stolen Facebook passwords and lured friends of their victims with posts and related to them on websites promoting Bitcoin scams. Security researchers from VPN Mentor revealed that they made their entire operations available in an unsecured environment. I'm thinking. So here's the thing. Don't, well, the thing is, I post links on Facebook too, but there's certain people. I'm not a stranger if you're part of our group or, subscribed on a YouTube channel of mine or have a page you're subscribed to or like to. You build up a trust with certain people. If it's Joe Blow from on the other side of the world and can't put a sentence together in any sort of grammatical way, then yeah, even though some of them are pretty slick. Anyways, don't go down the Telegram rabbit hole with these people. Seriously. And keep all your usernames and passwords offline. I write them down on paper. You'll never find them on my computer. So next. A detailed breakdown of Realio's platform, decentralized exchange and insurance issuance network. Okay, not insurance. However, I'm not going to be surprised when blockchain hits the insurance industry because it's going to get there. Probably already has. I just missed that article. Since 2019, the real estate market has grown by 700 million. There are two huge reasons behind this increase. Real estate is considered a safe investment. Almost every business is connected to real estate, while several projects are currently creating products that integrate blockchain technology and the real estate market. Realio manages to stand firm, whatever it is they do. A real estate token, maybe. You might want to look that up, because I'm not going to go down that rabbit hole. But look at that, Realio. So that's a real estate blockchain. I wonder. What's next? Bitconnect promoter faces a long prison sentence. He's going to hang out with that guy from Silk Road. A leader in the global crypto pyramid scheme, Bitconnect faces years in prison. A court ruling is expected in February 2021. John Bigoton, the former chief scammer of the Australian branch of Bitconnect pyramid scheme, may be wandering behind Swedish curtains for a long time, as the Australian Securities and Investment Commission published a report and said, hey, this is a bad dude, and we want him to get out of Sweden so we can arrest him. And actually, I don't know that's what it says, but I always make up the ending. I don't know if Sweden has a treaty or not with the United States or any other country. Airbnb plans IPO and suggests Bitcoin integration. They should probably, I would think, use some other sort of crypto like Dash or something like that, Litecoin, because a lot of people don't want to let go of their Bitcoin, right now, probably for a long time. The accommodation portal Airbnb is planning to go public and indicates a crypto integration in the IPO application. Hardly any other industry has a difficult. Hardly any other industry has as difficult to nibble at the pandemic as the tourism industry. That's a mess up sentence. Due to contact restrictions and travel bans, globetrotter industry, which has been booming in recent years, has come to a standstill. Yes, yes. And there you go. Another business going to turn their heads to crypto for payment. It's easier. You don't have a bank involved adding extra fees to your process. I mean, that's not even necessary. Right now, when you go pay for something, the bank gets a nice little cash injection every time someone pays for something. Cash, debit or credit. It's like that's the ultimate network marketing pyramid, isn't it? Residual income like you wouldn't believe. But the banks won't promote residual income, but they sure will take it. China's Bitcoin miners can no longer pay electricity bills because because they're costing too much. Probably. The Chinese government's ongoing aggressive behavior towards the Chinese crypto industry has resulted in Bitcoin miners now facing difficulties paying their electricity bills. According to a tweet published on November 16th, 74% of surveyed Chinese miners are currently having trouble paying their electricity bills. Yeah. The Chinese government's put the squeeze on them, for sure. The communist government. Oh well. Get out while you can, if you can. Get out of China. What's next? True peer-to-peer functionality on the Bitcoin network restored and enhanced with latest update to Bitcoin's SV node software. In Switzerland on the 17th, Bitcoin Association is Switzerland-based global industry organization that works to advance business with the Bitcoin SV blockchain. Today announces the release of 3 software packages designed to both restore and enhance true peer-to-peer functionality on the Bitcoin network. Okay, so there's the releases and it talks about the software. So that means, I think, to me, that you don't even need an internet connection. You just need a couple of QR codes swapping back and forth between phones or wallets or whatever. Bitcoin Spinoff, Bitcoin Cash splits again. Yes, there was a fork, and how did it go? The proposal to pay developers via a miner's fee first caused a dispute in the Bitcoin Cash community, and now caused a hard fork. With the Bitcoin spin-off, Bitcoin Cash, another spin-off took place on Sunday. Behind the fork is a group called Bitcoin ABC around the developer Emery Sachet. Okay. So they had a squabble, and 51% of the miners or more decided to go to a new chain. That's how it works when they fork. Pretty much. Let's see now. ShowPay successfully raised funding of $1.5 million to build Meta ID. That's nice. ShowPay, a well-known blockchain enterprise from the Bitcoin BSV ecosystem in China, announced the completion of an angel round of funding. Angel? This round of investment is led by Jing Investment, a subsidiary of China Latian Corporation, with another VC participating. This is kind of boring, isn't it? The funds will be mainly used for strengthening the basic research and development of the communist government. Yeah, okay. I don't. It's not going to bother me anywhere. They're not going to affect my life anyway. The best asset in the world, asymmetrical returns with Bitcoin investments. I think this was the heading of like last week's video. These things are moving slowly through the aggregator. In the world of portfolio theory, there is an overarching irrevocable dogma. Irrevocable dogma. Those looking for higher returns must be prepared to take more risk. Yes, no risk, no reward. There is typically a linear relationship between risk and return, but if you manage your risk properly, then your rate of return could increase. So there's that, my crypto friends, on my Saturday, November 21st. And as you can see, the fear and greed index is like pushing out to the max. And make sure you click on the iCoin Pro and get some free training. Mr. Justin Clark here is going to take care of you and teach you some awesome new trading skills that you can use right away. Free training, it's not too late. So get in on some of that education and see what you can do outside of the traditional banking world, because this is the way it's going. All right. And is there anything else? No, I think that's it. If you want, you can also go to Trusted Affiliate Links and get yourself some exchanges. These are links provided by the exchanges themselves. And feel free to share some of my content if you don't mind. And on that note, happy trading, and see you out the other side. Peace out, my friends.